Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 40 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let me do it, and now scroll down to find passwords and accounts. Of course here we've got the Google section and you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I prefer to do it using this section. So as you can see here we've got our previously added Google account, so maybe let's add another one. So let's tap on add account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. What is more, a quick disclaimer, we do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, because after tapping on next your device will also fill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we should actually have the shortcut of backup and storage info, but as you can see for some reason we did not, but that's okay. Here we've got our Google account added, and basically if you want to remove it, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and let me remove also this one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.